So this week I'm going to be doing 3 scroll sawing projects, and if they come out okay, I'm hoping to be selling them at the local craft fairs. And my goal this week is going to be to work on the finishing of the products. I'm going to be preparing some pallet wood. I'm going to glue it together and then I'm going to put it through the belt sander. I'm just clamping these together until the glue's dry. So my first project, I'm going to be cutting out the centre of the item as well. So I'm going to be using a size 12 blade for the thickness of the wood. I'm going to cut around the edges and make sure I've got a plinth at the bottom so that they're freestanding. And now that they've all sanded, I'm going to use the palm sander just to make sure the edges are all nice and smooth. So with this one, I've been sanding by hand, but I'd like to try and give it a deeper curve, so I'm going to do that on the belt sander. So here I'm making some clips for the back of the photo frame out of 3mm ply. So using the hole punch and 12mm screws, I'm just attaching these to the back of the photo frame. So here we have it, a photo frame in the shape of a heart. And this one's going to house the photo of our new grandson that was born just last week. If you wanted, you could make this a more permanent feature by putting a solid back on. And using the same method as before, I've prepared the wood and I'm going to cut it out on the scroll saw. This one has 2 parts and you'll see how they go together later. So on this one, I'm going to use the Walnut Light Fast Stain. Using some small hooks and eyes and a chain, I'm going to join these two together. Number 2 is completed, and these can easily be engraved with a laser or a Dremel. And you might even want to add a small photo to the small heart in the centre. Watch until the end to see them all together. And for the final scroll saw item today, I've decided to continue with making something to organise the shelves. On this one, just for a different effect, I'm going to go for the English light oak. So there we have it. The first project, the standalone photo frame. The second project, the freestanding infinity heart. Third one we did today was the bookends. And here we have the fourth one, just a small heart photo frame that can be used every day, or this one's going to have baby's first Christmas engraved on the outside. So I hope you've liked today's video, and if you have, there's another link just here.